How to move installed apps to another drive on Windows 11. To move installed apps to another drive, open Start menu. Then click on Settings. Click on the apps. Then click on Installed apps. You'll see a list of all your installed apps on the right. Scroll through the list and select the app you want to move to another drive. Click on the three dots. You'll see an option that says Move. Click on it. A window will appear, allowing you to choose the destination drive for the app. Select the drive where you want to move the app and click Move. Windows will now begin moving the app to the destination drive. This may take few minutes depending on the app size and your system's performance. If you have more apps to move, repeat the process for each one individually. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to move installed apps to another drive on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our 5-Minute Solution channel for more videos.